Hey guys, this is Romeo's day. Today, in this cold day, I'm just gonna make myself a cup of coffee.
It's really good to have like fresh coffee. You know, it's really fantastic. Fresh coffee. I have some great beans from Nyanga. This is really great beans right here from Nyanga. And I'm just gonna pour the beans now in the
Somewhere there on
the
three.
grinder. That will give me the correct texture. Grinding is taking place now. My cup is on standby. This is my favorite cup. Like, see, it's been worn out now. My wife bought this one for me. I have a very simple French press that I'm using. I'm not even using a complicated French press. This is like a simple French press that you can get in Kmart, you know. But you gotta make a good coffee. Going now to apply maybe a tablespoon of coffee. Quite generous with this coffee. This is Zimbabwean pure coffee, so I'm very generous with it. What I really want is strong coffee. I don't want to drink a weak coffee. Apply water. My water is boiled now, so I'm gonna apply water in there. Oh, so steamy, eh? I like this. I like steam. So I'll put it to this level. So on my French press, they've this silver marking that they've put here. So I'll make sure I'll put it just under the silver marking. Then I'll start to stir it slowly. I don't do it too much. I'll just slowly stir it now. Slowly stir it, slowly stir it. Oof, you can see the cream coming up on top. As I do that, you can see. Whoa, just look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my god, I love this coffee. This is looking fantastic, guys. Look at this. Yeah. This color here. That is the stuff. That is the stuff. That is what we are talking about. That is what we are talking about. And now I'll begin to press. And it has to be done so slowly, guys. You're not rushing anyway, so you want to make a good coffee, and you're not rushing anyway, so you gotta make a good coffee. So I'll start to press. I'll start to slowly press. Let me see if you can. Down the grains, the thicker grains, I'm pressing them down. Woo! And now just make sure that my French press is set to where I can pour. Now that's done. Now we can begin to pour our coffee here. Look at this thing. Oh my god. I wish you could smell from the camera, you know, from the video. It's smelling so nice, guys. That is fantastic. That is fantastic.
That's the stuff. That's how you make a good coffee. So thank you guys for tuning in. We'll catch you again in the next thing, right? What do you call vlog? Yeah, in the next vlog. We'll catch you again. I'm learning to do this.